In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a site using manage.wix.com. This is a great tool to have in your toolkit, especially if you're looking to create backups of your projects or experiment with new designs without tampering with your live site. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, make sure you visit wix.com. Here, you'll need to log into your account, so have your email and password ready. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all of your sites, so it's worth getting familiar with this section if you're not already. Next, look for your Wix dashboard, which should appear once you're logged in. From here, you'll see the Site Actions menu. This menu is your gateway to various options for managing your site. Hover over or click this menu to reveal additional actions you can take. Once you're in the Site Actions menu, look for the option to Duplicate Site. Clicking this will start the process of duplicating your current website. This is particularly useful if you want a sandbox environment to test changes or simply keep a backup of your work. When you select Duplicate Site, you're effectively creating an identical copy of your existing website. Now that the duplication action is initiated, give your new site a name. This is an important step because it'll help you keep track of your sites. I recommend something descriptive, like My Clothing Store Backup Agi 2025. This way, it's easy to identify what the copied site is and when it was created. Giving it a meaningful name can save you confusion later, particularly if you have several duplicated sites in your dashboard. To finalize the duplication, simply click on Duplicate. The system will take a moment to process, during which an exact copy of your site will be saved under the new name you've chosen. You can relax knowing you have a backup that you can return to anytime. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated your site on manage.wix.com. This duplicated site serves as a secure copy that you can experiment with or revert to if needed. It's a straightforward but powerful feature that ensures you always have a backup of your hard work. Thank you for watching and happy creating.